Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. It's me, your Max teacher, CB Jalal. Welcome back to our Max class. How do you do? Okay, hope all are doing very well. In the last class, we have started our chapter 3, there is a limit, right? Okay, what are the things we have learned in that chapter? Let's revise. Yes, in first we have seen Udaran king, right? A big fat one. He ate a lot of mangoes, bananas, etc. And also we have learned to subtract two-digit number, right? Yes, we have learned subtraction of two-digit numbers. Okay, let us continue this chapter and all of you take the page number 51. All of you take the page number 51. What is the heading? Survey. Survey. Vey. What does it read? Survey. Ashwin and his friends were divided into 4 groups and they visited houses to collect details of cleanliness. Okay, we should clean our house and keep it tidy, right? Okay, Ashwin and his friends were divided into 4 groups and they visited houses to collect details of cleanliness. They visited 47 houses in all. They visited 47 houses. 32 of them had wells. 32 of them had wells. Okay, how many houses don't have a well? How many houses don't have a well? How do we find out the number of houses with don't have a well? Yes, it is very easy. 47 minus 32. Okay, what do we consider first? We consider first ones place. What are in ones place? Ones place like 7, 2. So, subtract 2 from 7. 2 from 7. All of you take 7 in your fingers. 7 in your fingers and remove 2 from them. Remove 2 from them. What is the remaining? Yes, 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 4 subtract 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, the answer is 15. So, 15 houses do not have a well. 15 houses do not have a well. Write 15 in that column. They met lots of people during this. The table shows their numbers. Can you fill in the missing numbers? Okay, here are the table. First one group number. Second one men. Third group is woman. And you want to find the total somewhere here. Total. Total means 24 plus 22. 24 plus 22. Okay, we want to consider first ones place. Ones place. What are the in ones place? 4, 2. Add 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? Take 4 in one hand and 2 in another hand and add it. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then the total number here is 46. What is 46? Okay, students. In second, there here gives number of men and total numbers. We want to find the number of women. How do we find? Just 58 total men in the number minus here. 58 minus 32. That is ones place 8 and 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 3, 2. So, 26, right? 26 here. Okay. Similarly, we get the numbers of other column. In third column, there give number of men and number of women. We want to find the total. You just add 23 plus 16. We get 39. Okay, we get 39. And in the last column, woman and total number are given. We want to find out the number of men. So, 55 minus 35 gives 20. So number of men is 20. Write 20 here. Which group met most number of people? Which group met most number? ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ആൾക്കാരെ കണ്ട ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഏതാണ്? Yes, group 2. Group 2. And least numbers ആൾക്കാരെ കണ്ട ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഏതാണ്? Yes, group 3. So you just write here group GROUP, then 2, and also here GROUP group 3. Okay. Cleanliness club. In Ashwin school, 34 children of class 4 and 23 children of class 3 are the members of cleanliness club. What is the total number of children in the club from these two classes? How do we find 34 children of class 4, 23 children of class 3, 34 23. But total എത്രയായി? Yes, you just add 34 plus 23. Okay, first we want to consider ones place, then we want to consider tens place. What are in ones place? 4 and 3. What is 4 plus 3? Yes, take 4 in one hand and take 3 in another hand. Then add it. What is that? Yes, 7. 3 plus 2. Then consider tens place. 3 plus 2. Yes, that is 5. Then total number of members are 57. Write 57 in this column. 57. Okay, done. Okay, moving to the next page. How many more children of if 17 children of class 1 and 29 children of class 2 also joined the club, how many more children of class 2 joined the club than the children of class 1? അതായത് class 1 17 children ഉണ്ട്, class 2 29 children ഉണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ക്ലാസ് 1 എത്ര കുട്ടികൾ കൂടുതലാണ് ക്ലാസ് 2 എന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചത്. ക്ലാസ് 1 എത്ര കുട്ടികൾ കൂടുതലാണ് ക്ലാസ് 1 നിന്നും ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തത്? അതെങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക? 29 മൈനസ് 17 ചെയ്താൽ മതി. യെസ്, 29 minus 17. Okay, how do we subtract? First consider ones place, then tens place. Okay, first ones place how many are there? 9 and 7. Take 9 in your fingers. Take 9 in your fingers and turn 7 and fold the 7. Okay. What will you get? 9 minus 7, that is 2. And in ones place, 2 minus 1. Take 2 in your fingers and fold 1. Then you get 1. 12. Upper number of children more than class 2 from 1 is 12. Write 12 here. 12. Okay. Next is to the shop. Ashwin and friends brought cleaning tools for 73 rupees. What are cleaning tools? Cleaning tools are broom and dustbin or dustpan, etc. are the cleaning tools. Okay. Ashwin and friends bought. What do you mean by broom? Yes, I will show you what is broom. See, these are the broomsticks. Okay, broomstick means these are the broomstick. This is also broomstick. This is another broomstick. Okay, I hope you get the idea about broomstick. Okay, 73 rupees aayile total. Ashwin gave 8 10 rupees. 8 10 rupees means yes, 80. 8 10 rupees means 80. How much will he get back? അപ്പോൾ 80 rupees അശ്വിൻ കൊടുത്തത്. ബ്രൂംസ്റ്റിക്കിനും ക്ലീനിങ് ടൂൾസിനൊക്കെ കൂടി എത്ര രൂപയായി? 73 rupees ആയി അല്ലേ? How much will he get back? Yes, 7 rupees. 7 rupees. Write 7 here. Okay, these are your homework. These two are your homework. Nothing else. You just add 13 plus 10 and write answer here. 13 plus 10, right answer here. 10 plus 11, the answer is given 21. Then 11 plus 9, answer should be right here. And also ഇവിടെ രണ്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, ആൻസർ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. ഇത് രണ്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് ആൻസർ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. ദെൻ ഈ രണ്ട് കോളം ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക, ആൻസർ ലാസ്റ്റ് കോളത്തിൽ എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. Another is this number, subtract 33 from 56. So write the answer here. And 12 from 33 and write the answer here. Subtract ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ addition ചെയ്യുക, ഇവിടെ subtraction ചെയ്യുക. Okay, this is your homework. Okay students, moving to the next page. Making broom. In Ashwin's school, children clean their classroom and surroundings every day. Okay. We clean our house every day, right? Okay, that's similarly, Ashwin's school, children clean their classrooms and surroundings every day. Not enough brooms, Diya said. If each of us bring 10 aircles, then we can make a lot of brooms, Yadu said. അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ്, അവർ ദിവസവും അവിടെ ക്ലാസ് റൂംസ് ഒക്കെ വൃത്തിയാക്കും. അവരുടെ കയ്യിൽ ആവശ്യത്തിന് ബ്രൂംസ് ഇല്ല, ചൂലില്ല. അപ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, എല്ലാവരും ഈർക്കിലി കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ പറയണം. വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് 10 വെച്ച് കൊണ്ടുവരുമോ, നമുക്ക് നിറയെ ബ്രൂംസ്, ചൂലുകൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. വി ക്യാൻ മേക്ക് എ ബ്രൂം യൂസിങ് 100 ഈർക്കിൾസ്. ക്യാൻ ഐ ഹോൾഡ് ദാറ്റ് മച്ച് ഇൻ മൈ ഹാൻഡ്? 100 ഈർക്കിൾ വെച്ചൊരു ചൂലുണ്ടാക്കാമെന്നോ? അത് നമുക്ക് കയ്യിൽ പിടിക്കാൻ കിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ എന്നാണ് പറയണം. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റ് ദ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ഈർക്കിൾ ദേ ബോട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവർ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന ഈർക്കിളിൻ്റെ എണ്ണമാണ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ടോട്ടൽ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. റിയ 310 കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. റിയ 10സിൻ്റെ അവിടെ എത്ര കൊണ്ടുവന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്? 3. ആൻഡ് 1സിൻ്റെ അവിടെ 5. അപ്പോൾ ടോട്ടൽ നമ്പർ എത്രയാണ്? 3, 10, 30. 30 plus 5, yes, 35. And here 2 plus 6, that is 26. 2, 10, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. Here 5, 10. 5, 10 means 50. 50 plus 2, 52. And here 7, 10. 7, 10 means 70. 70 plus 4, 74. 20 plus 3, 23. All of you write down in your textbook like this. Okay. 35, 26, 52, 74, 23. Okay students? Okay students, this is for today and see you in the Google Meet. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.